Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ISC Steno. I am Ms. Janvi, your shorthand instructor, and today we are starting with the third place vowel. In the previous video we have completed the first place and the second place vowel. This is the last vowel that we are going to cover. So let us begin. So the first sound that is coming is of long E. Long E. This is represented by a heavy dot. Heavy dot. So in words where you hear the sound of E like T-E, C-E, she-E, fee-E, duh, in those words you're going to make the long E heavy dot for that. Okay? So let us see the word. Like the first word is eat. In this you can see E and T. So there is a T stroke. This is a single letter case. So you have to make T like this below the line because this is the third place. As you know, the third place vowel is made below the line. Okay. So the alphabet should cross the line. So the letter is T and before T, E sound is coming. E is a third place sound. So you have to place the sound on the third place of T and before T. Okay. So this is the first place, this is second and this is third. I'll make it again. So this is before. So you just have to place the dot over here on the third position. This is eat. Okay. Similarly, if you have to make the letter T, so you have to make T stroke like this. After T, E sound is coming. So place the dot on the third place after T over here. This is T. Okay. So let us see few more words. See, she, fee, and each. Try out these words. So let us see the word. The word is see, sir and E. So you just have to make an S like this. After S, E sound is coming. So place the heavy dot over here. C. Similarly, next word is she. So in the word she, make an SH. After SH, E sound is coming. So place it over here. She. Next is fee, fur and E. So make the alphabet F. After F, E sound is coming. So place a heavy dot over here. Fee. Next is each. After E is before CH, so you just have to make E before CH, make a CH stroke and make a heavy dot over here for each. These words are single letter words. Now I am going to start with the double and three letter words. It means that there are basically three consonants or two consonants that would be coming in the word. Okay. In that case, the position of E would be different. Okay. So let us see. Now see the first word of double letter case. Like the word is feed. So in the word feed, you have to make the first the consonants F crossing the line and then D. The sound of E is coming before D. You can see that. So E would be placed on the next stroke that is coming. That is the D consonant and before D. This is fixed. That the sound would be coming putting on the next consonant and before that consonant. Okay. So E would be placed where? On D and before D on the third position. So this is the first place, this is second, this is third and it's before D. That means you have to place it over here. I'll make it again. F and D. So E would be placed over here. Okay. Because this is a two letter case. Wherever you find two or three consonants in the third place vowel, you just have to place the sound on the next stroke and before that stroke. Okay. Now let us see another word. Next word that is coming is deep. D-double-E-P. Next is keep, meal, leave, and tea. Try out these words. Now let us see the word. The word is deep. You can see the sound of E. This would be placed on P and the third position of P and before P. Okay. So make a D and P. E is placed where? On P's third position. First, second, third. This is the third place, and before P, that's where the E dot is put here. This is D. Similarly, next letter is K and P. So horizontal and downward. You remember the horizontal rule. So make the K above line like this and P like this, because you have to show that the stroke is cutting the line. Okay. So E is coming where? On the P's position, on the third place of P. So it would be placed here before P. This is keep. Next word that is coming is meal. M and L. So M below line, L like this to show that it's cutting the line. E is coming where? On the third place of L and before L. So it's placed over here. Meal. Next is leave. L and V. E is coming where? On the V's third position and before V. So it's placed over here. Leave. Next is team. T and M. E is coming where? On M's third place. First, second, third, before M. It's placed here. Team. Now let us see the next sound that is coming. So the next sound that is coming is of short I. Okay. Short I. It's represented by a light dot. A light dot. You can see the spelling of I in those words, and it would be giving the sound of E. Okay, like the word if. You can see the spelling of I, but the sound is of E. If. So wherever you see the I spelling, that means it's a third place vowel, and you just have to make a light dot for it. Okay. So this is F, cutting the line, and before F, I is there. So you just have to place on the third place a light dot. This is F. It's quite similar to the above one. It's just a light dot, okay? Now let us see a few more examples. Next word is bit, then pick, live, inch, ill, kid, and milk. Okay. So let us see the first word. The first word is bit. B, E and T. I is coming. It's coming before T. So it is placed on the next stroke, that is T, and on the third position of T. It would be before T, as I've told you earlier. So make a B, then T. It's before T, so just place a dot, light dot over here. This is bit. Next word that is coming is pick. So stroke P and K would be there. P and K. I would be on the K's third position and before K. So you just have to place it over here. This is the third place of K, and above K, before K. So you have to place it above over here. Okay, pick. Next is live. L and V. I is coming. It's placed on the V's third position and before V. So just place it over here. This is live. A light dot. Now let us see the next word, inch. In this word, you just have to see that I is before N, okay? It's before N. So you just have to make the I before N, not after N. Because most of the students make this mistake that they make the word like this. They make it like this. This is wrong, okay? It should be made like this. N and CH, I is on N third place, that means over here. This is inch. This is the correct one. Okay? If you are making this word, that means you are writing it N-I-C-H, not inch. That's the difference between that. Because over here, I is coming on CH third place. That's why it's placed over here. Okay? Now the next word is L. I is coming on L's third place. That means L like this and a light dot over here. This is L. Next is kid. K and D, K horizontal, D downward, make it above the line like this. I is coming on D's third place, that means over here. This is kid. And the last is milk. M, L and K. I is placed on L's third position. That means first, second, third before L. It's placed over here. This is milk. I hope this is clear to you. And in case you have any doubt, you can just text us on a Telegram channel. That is, the name of channel is ISC Steno on Telegram. ISC Steno. Okay, there are two groups. You can add us on that and ask us the doubt also. Okay. Now let us see the next one. The next sound that is coming is of long oo. Long oo. This is represented by a heavy dot. You might find the spelling of double O for representing oo. You can get the spelling of U also. You just have to check the sound, that whether it's giving the sound of oo. Oo is stretching. Foo, oo, da, lu, oo, per. You have to just see that the sound is stretching and it's giving the sound of oo. Okay. Now the first word is shoe. Sh and oo. So in the word shoe, sh and oo, just make a SH stroke. And after SH, oo sound is coming, so place a dash over here like this on the third place. Okay? Next word is food. After that, loop, pool, cool, tooth, and move. Try out these words. So let us see the first word, food. The oo sound is coming and it would be placed on the next stroke, that is D. Okay, on third place of D. Same thing. So F and D. Oo sound is where? On D's third place and before D. So place it over here. A heavy dash. This is food. Similarly, next word is loop. L, oo and P. Oo sound would be coming on P's third place and before P. So L and P, oo sound is placed here, loop. Next word is pool, P and L, oo is coming, oo is placed on L's third place, L. So place it over here on the third place of L, pool. Next is cool, K and L, just make it K below the line and L like this, crossing the line, showing that it's below line, okay. So oo would be placed on L's third place over here. This is cool. Next is tooth, two and third. So T and TH. Oo sound is placed on TH's third place and before TH. This is tooth. And the last word is move. Move. M is horizontal, V is curved. So M is placed over here. V like this. Oo sound is placed on V's third position and before V. So move. I hope this is clear to you. So we are moving towards the last sound, that is of short oo. Now the last sound is short oo. This is represented by a light dash. If the sound is stretching, that means it's a long heavy dash or heavy dot. If there is a light sound, there is a less stretch, then that means it's a light dash or a light dot. Okay. So short oo is represented by a light dash. So the first word that is coming is book. B, oo and K. So B and K stroke are there. B and K. So oo is placed on K's third position and above K because it's before K. So you just have to make the dash over here. This is book. Okay. Next is took. Try these words. Look, shook, pull, push. Try these out. So let us see the first word. The first word is took. Oo sound is coming, T, oo and K. It's not stretching. That means it's placed on the K's third position with a light dash, okay, before K. So T and K and a light dash over here. This is took. Next is look, L and K. Oo is placed on K's third position before K. So look, l, u and k, look. Next word is shook, sh and k. U sound is placed on k, k is third position and before k, so shook. Second last word is pull, p, u and l. Over here you can see that the spelling of u is coming, but it's giving the sound of u, pu, u, l, pull. And above double o you can see that double o spellings are there, l, u, k, look. So the spelling doesn't matter, you just have to check the sound, which sound is coming, okay? Pull, p, u and l, p and l, u is placed on l's third place and before l, pull. And last is push, p, u and sh, so p and sh, u is placed on sh third place before sh, this is push. So we are done with the vowels, all the sounds are complete. Now practice all the three sounds. First place vowel, second place vowel and the third place vowel. After this, I would be teaching you about the Y concept, which comprises of all the mixed words of all the sounds. So practice all these words very well so that you are able to recognize the sound in the next video, okay? We would be starting with the book part now, the dictations part. So practice it really well. And in case you have any doubt, you can just text us on a Telegram channel or you just make a comment below. I'm just writing the name of channel again. IAC Steno, this is the Telegram channel, okay? Just text me over here so that you can clear your doubts. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.